Good afternoon, amazing Atomians. I am Sharon Rose Master, Christian Santo Domingo from Baguio Cap Center. Okay, before po tayong mag-start, I would like to request everyone to please stand. Magta-tai chi muna tayo. So yung tai chi natin, kailangan ng space. So please move for a while. Give some space. Okay, so tai chi tayo. Okay, so sundan nyo lang po yung aking gagawin. Okay, so you follow. Okay, ulit. Okay, siguro nasundan nyo na. Ano po? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Ang siopaw baw. Ako'y may isang siopaw. Hinati ko sa dalawa, ang kalahati sa iyo, ang kalahati sa akin. Ang siopaw baw. Okay, yun po yung siopaw na niluto kanina sa ating Medicook Wok. Okay? So, siopaw. Okay? So, it is a humbling privilege to stand before you today. And at the same time, I'm so excited, okay, to share my story, my learnings, my blessings to all of you. Naisip nyo na ba kung saan kayo kayang dalhin ni Atomy? We will see how we can travel to greater heights with Atomy. I was an educator and a guidance counselor before in a high school, and maybe that's one reason why I am giving much value to learning, and I am into improving myself talaga through the learnings from Atomy. Now, I became a full-time homemaker, so from lectures in classrooms to mommy duties, nasa bahay na ako nagle-lecture sa aking mga anak, which they label as nagging. Okay? So, yun po ang tawag nila sa ating mga lectures sa bahay. So, it was a decade long of spending time with my kids. So, sabi kong ganon, it was getting mundane. Parang araw-araw ganito na lang yung routine. And so, when I became a part of Atomy, a hardcore Atomian at that, dinala ko ni Atomy sa very colorful na mundo. Because it was a colorful ups and downs talaga. So natutuwa ako sa roller coaster ride na ibinigay ni Atomy sa akin. Now, naisip ko din na kailangan kong sabayan si Atomy kasi hindi just na company si Atomy. So I had to enroll myself in a short course to improve myself. Pero dahil sa pandemic lockdown, hindi ko na tapos yung course na yon. But I was still happy dahil marami po akong natutunan doon. Now, I will focus today on the Atomy success system. The Atomy success system is not called a success system for nothing. Okay? Bakit tinatawag na success system to at bakit natin kailangang bigyan ng halaga ito? Okay, so it is called a unique customer success system. Why can we be successful with Atomy? Because we all are customers. So pantay-pantay na binigyan tayo ni Atomy ng karapatan, ng opportunity para maging successful kasama ni Atomy. And this is initiated and led by the company. Sila po ang nagbibigay sa atin ng chance na to learn. Now, in Luke chapter 6 verse 39, it asks us, can a blind man lead a blind man? Will they not both fall into a pit? Okay? So I hope you have to give importance to learning. Okay? Don't follow your destiny blindly. Use the torch of knowledge and hard work. You'll see everything will be all right once you reach success. So, being a sponsor, being a leader, you have to equip yourself with knowledge. Now, these are our ways to learn dito sa system ni Atomy. And It encourages us to learn how we do the system. Maaaring hindi tinatanong ni Atomy ang ating educational background, di po ba? Hindi yan requirement. Pero, kailangan mo ding tulungan ang sarili mo to learn how to do the system of Atomy. So, we have the one-day seminar, the Good Morning Atomy and Success Academy facilitated by the headquarters. And the center seminar and the morning meetings, both online and offline, our team Zoom meetings and meeting after meetings, which are facilitated by our sponsors. So, learning in Atomy comes for free. Okay? Now, yung result ng mga naaral natin doon sa mga seminars at meetings, it will bring us to this next way of exciting learning. Okay? So, kayo po ba ay ready nang lumipad? Okay, naalala niyo po yung kanta ng Last Success Academy? I believe I can fly. Okay, so we will fly with Atomy today. So sit down, relax, fasten your seatbelts, and let's enjoy the flight. Okay, so because here in Atomy, you will get to experience and understand that there is something beyond our own small world. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of traveling? Ano nga ba ang ibibigay ng pag-travel? This summer, nauuso na naman yung outing ng lahat, ng reunion ng karamihan. Pero tayong Atomians, go 100 ang outing natin. Pero merong ibibigay si Atomy sa atin. And this is traveling, okay? Now, traveling creates new friendship and build bonds. Kahit mismong mga ka-team mo or kapamilya mo sa Atomy, if you travel together, iba yung banding nyo na pag nandun kayo sa ibang bansa. And then, it helps you gain more perspective in life kasi nakikita ninyo na, ay, pareho lang pala ang sitwasyon namin. O kaya ganito man ang sitwasyon nila sa bansang ito, pwede ko pa rin gamitin yung mga strategies nila sa system ko. Okay? Allow you to make lifelong memories until now. Very vivid yung mga memories ko doon sa mga travels na naibigay ni Atomy. And it ignites curiosity and creativity. Sabi ko nga doon sa mga strategies na pwede nating gamitin. And then it fosters deep appreciation and empathy, most specifically doon sa system na meron tayo kay Atomy. Traveling experiences are learnings with deeper and more colorful marks. Now, this was the first gift given to me to visit the nearest country to our north, Taiwan. Wandering with our co-Atomians in the different partner manufacturers na meron doon sa Taiwan, like our seaweed laver factory, our collagen, bitter melon, and energy drink factories. And I get to see in person the reason why there is great interest in Taiwan. Because it is a transforming hub for biotech and medical research and development. There are a lot of factories and technologies being developed and upgraded in Taiwan. And I get to hear the story about a Chinese overseas worker. So siya po yung nandyan sa upper left, okay, na nandyan. So she was a teacher by profession but ended up doing menial jobs in Taiwan. Di ba ganun din tayo dito? Mga OFW natin. Professional sila dito, doon professional din na alam na natin yung nagiging trabaho ng karamihan sa labas. Okay? But after finding Atomy, she now shares her Taiwan Atomy success story. And there is this elderly man who was a driver naman po. Naalala niyo po, meron tayong Imperial Master din na naging driver. Okay? So dito, hintayin natin, baka isa siya sa mga next na ganun din ang kwento. He was, he shared that when he started with Atomy, he skipped meals because of low finances. Okay? Nai-imagine nyo yun. Siguro meron din sa inyo yung ganyan, na nagtitipid kayo dahil yung pera na yun pamasahin nyo para makarating doon sa destination ninyo. Pero ngayon, he is earning big because of his hard work in Atomy. So during the Success Academy in Taiwan, I can't remember that moment that I rode the elevator with my companions na may mga kasabay kaming mga young people. I thought they are just yung mga regular na hotel guests. Pero nakita ko, kagaya namin, meron sila nung Success Academy na ID. Doon ko na-realize, doon sa culture nila, that they really train their children early in the business. Okay? So, yun po ang pwede natin ding gawin. Okay? Now, these are the marks, the impressions left on me by Taiwan. That Taiwan is a transforming hub for biotech and medical and research development. Many young people are trained early in the business world. Overseas workers can succeed in other global branches. And Christianity, doon po sa Taiwan, is 5 to 6% lang. Most of them are believers of Buddhism and Taoism. But we still got to do our revival meeting there. Yun ang maganda pagkasama mo si Atomy. Now, finally, Korea again. It was a dream come true. Everything felt surreal nung paglapag namin doon. Iba yung feeling, okay? Because it gives back that feeling nung time na nakarating din ako doon. I worked there. At nagpapasalamat ako kay Atomy na nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makapasyal ulit doon. After 19 long years na paghihintay, dahil ginamit ko din sa unang dahilan si Atomy para makabalik doon. Pero hindi lang pala to ang ibibigay ni Atomy sa akin. So we visited Colmar B&H. Like Taiwan, kahit na naging turista ka sa ibang bansa, hindi ka basta makakapasok sa mga factories na to. So thank you kay Atomy dahil may pagkakataon tayo na mabisita natin ang mga manufacturer or partners natin sa ating mall or system dito sa Atomy. So what warms my heart is seeing the white jars. Nakikilala niyo po ba yan? Yung mga nasa Jurassic age. Yung ponds. Because I remember seeing that in the vanity table of my grandmother when I was young. Yung medyo mabigat pa na container. Di po ba? Okay, so naalala ko yun. And you can see the different luxurious brands that are manufactured by Colmar B&H. Okay? And kung kayo napapanood nyo yung video, ito yung isa sa pinangarap ko. At dapat yan ang itanim din ninyo sa isipan at puso ninyo na makakarating din kayo dyan para magpa-picture. Truly, deserve ng ating headquarters na ma-receive yung a great place to work because it's really a very beautiful place to work. It's so amazing to take a picture against that background. But it is more amazing for me to meet these amazing leaders. Okay, so this is the first Imperial, Pak Jong-soo. So, since it's Mother's Day, month natin ng mga nanay ngayon, so kaway-kaway din sa mga nanay, nakagaya niya. Okay, so she had so many sacrifices din para sa kanyang success ngayon. Okay, and we were able to visit her building with her, yung cafe niya. Tapos ang sabi nila, kaya nagbigay sila ng free drinks sa amin noon dahil yung mga Pilipino delegates lang daw ang madalas bumibili doon sa coffee shop niya pag may bumibisita. Kaya nagbigay sila ng free drinks para sa amin when we visited the cafe. And we also get to see then Crown Master Che Kyu-jong and now an Imperial Master too. At dito natin, maaalala yung mga kwento nila that they had their business na bankrupt. Okay? So si Pak Jong-soo, yung may-ari nung na-bankrupt na duck restaurant. Ang taga-deliver ng condiments doon is si Imperial Master Che Kyu-jong. Okay? So dito natin makikita from bankruptcy to success. From ordinary lives to extraordinary lives. So this is a testimony that advancement in ranks is not a wild imagination or impossible to reach goal in the system of Atomy. Ang kwento po, nung nagsisimula pa lang sila sa Atomy is si Che Kyu-jong po, yung nasa parang BTS behind the scenes sa technical works. Si Imperial Master Pak Jong-soo, siya naman po yung magaling sa speaking. So siya yung nagsasalita sa harap. So kung ganun sila nagsimula, tapos ngayon, Imperial Master sila, mag-ready na tayong mga busy sa Atomy. Okay, now, you will totally be floored by the reality that this is where global leaders meet and learn. And where you build dreams with the rest of the world. Now, I get to remember, etong nasa picture dito sa kabila, na napanood ko ito sa FB Reels. The story goes this way. If you stay in a fish market all day, kahit hindi mo hawakan yung isda or bumili ng isda, if you leave the market, the odor will stay with you. Now, if you stay in a perfumery, sa perfume shop all day, kahit hindi mo hinawakan, hindi ka bumili, the scent will stay with you. So, it means your environment, with or without your intention, becomes you. The way you think, the way you speak, the way you act. So if you surround yourself with negative people, people who are always complaining, people who surrender to doubts, you might end to become one. But if you surround yourself with people who are grateful, who see possibilities, who are always positive, and who are disciplined, then you will push yourself to become one. Now, even if you do not buy or touch something, the scent of your environment will stay with you wherever you go. Now, being with different leaders from different countries with the same passion and perspective in the same place and time gives you a great push to be better like everyone does. Yung uupo ka dyan sa Success Academy sa Korea, ibang-iba po ang pakiramdam. Now, in that first Korea Success Academy, I witnessed that daughter of Imperial Master Pak Dong-chul standing on stage with the rest of the Imperial Master. That is a great legacy that we can leave to our children. And this is the memory that I carry with me wherever I go doing Atomy with my partners. Now, among the many stories na nabuo ko dito kasama si Atomy, the most recent one was me leaving Baguio. That was a Thursday night, 9 p.m. And then bumaba ako sa bus ng 4 a.m. to wait for my partner's midway, kung saan kami pupunta. So 4 a.m. and then my partners arrived 7:30 a.m. So I had to stay outside ng isang convenience store kasi sarado pala yung isang fast food doon. 6 o'clock pa daw sila darating. Ay mag-o-open, okay? So I had to stay outside of the convenience store. So forever din na magiging grateful ako doon sa convenience store na yon kasi I waited for 3.5 hours. When my partners arrived, we traveled to our first destination, then to the next province, and to the third destination. I reached home past 8 p.m. Friday. Almost 24 hours of traveling. What kept me going? Ano yung panlaban ko dun sa antok at pagod? Kasi sabi ng partner ko, alam ma'am, nakikita yung pagod at antok mo, pero energized ka pa rin na mag-present. What is the reason behind? What I am working for now, third generation po ang makikinabang yan. Okay? So that is enough reason for you na pag-igihan kung ano ang meron sa atin ngayon. Your Atomy account. Now, the lectures during the Success Academy was translated in different languages of the world. And we get to see the different translator booths na doon ka maa-amaze na, ala, global talaga ang business ko with Atomy. Now, our last day, we visited Dreamy School. And we had our revival meeting. This shows us the deeper value that Atomy can give us. Stronger faith in God. Kasi sabi nga ng ating chairman, Atomy may give you 100 years of good life, but we have a longer life and that is eternal life. Kaya pati yan, iniingatan ni Atomy para sa atin. And we get to appreciate the heart of Atomy in its social and spiritual activities. Do you think I was happy to visit Korea? Yes. But I was happier the next year because my dream to travel back with my partners came true. I traveled with 5 Diamond Master partners. Okay? Mother mode na ako during my second visit. Nagwo-worry ako pag late sa oras ang aking mga partners. Kung nung the previous year, ako yung pasaway, the following year, ako na yung nagsasaway. Okay? So, learning together with your members, like parang may level of learning ulit yon na kung noon ikaw yung inaalagaan, the next year ikaw naman na ang nag-aalaga. So leveling up talaga tayo dito. So learning together with your members has a greater impact. Iba pala yung dating. Na yung pinapakinggan mo na powerful lecture, kasama mo ang members mo na nakaupo at nakikinig. Now, we also were amazed by the Song ni San experience. Okay, I rate is AAA. Atomy Absolute Accommodation. Okay, so hindi lang po yung credit rating natin ang AAA. Okay, so Atomy wants us to know and appreciate the great things that they can do or give to us. So, meeting and listening to the chairman up close feels so overwhelming. Yung nandyan lang siya, yung ay, kaya ko nang abutin, nahawakan siya, ganun, yung feeling. And I know, most of our leaders have that kind of feeling. And he remains consistent in his humble, honest, and dignified leadership. Mararamdaman mo talaga yon. And if I were fangirling dun sa mga K-pops na mga nakikita natin ngayon, ang sarap magtaas ng banner ng I love you HGP. Di po ba? Kasi ganun ka ma-overwhelm sa presence ng ating chairman. Just like when you are overwhelmed with the presence of our Lord, then di ba, na iba yung pakiramdam. Okay? Now, these are the impressions naman na iniwan ng aking dalawang Korea tour. The bigger world of Atomy Beyond. Witnessing Atomy as an absolute curator with Colmar B&H and Orot visits, and the Atomy Absolute Accommodation in Song ni San Forest. And you will get to experience the shared dream, the shared faith, the shared success, and shared blessings with the global Atomy family. Now, pangatlong travel, I feel so blessed to be part of the first Philippine-China tour. And we were blessed even more to find our gracious sponsor, Royal Master Claire Yun in China. So meeting up with sponsors abroad is exciting. And we will soon get to experience a smaller world with Atomy to meet up in the different parts of the world. Sabi ko nga sa mga members ko, one day, sasabihin ko, magte-text tayo sa GC, let's meet in Singapore for coffee, balikan lang. O, di ba? Ang sarap ng ganong pakiramdam. O, di ba? So, on my slide is a picture of a mother who did not use her newborn baby as a hindrance to doing Atomy. Kahit na kapapanganak niya, dala-dala niya yung anak niya. Okay? And here is, sa next picture naman po, is a garbage collector, no read, no write. Okay? Pero ang sabi niyang ganun, nung sinimulan niya daw si Atomy, parang walang nangyayari. But she still continued to share and share hanggang sa marating niya, Diamond Master. Your background, your circumstances, they all fade in the background if you set a big dream in front of you. Thank you po. Ang sabi nga natin, kung gusto, may paraan. Kung puro dahilan, goodbye sa milyon na kitaan. Okay? So, in between the learning sessions with Atomy, you can still find pleasure gallivanting with other leaders, spending time and sharing hugs with the precious people in your system. And further on, these learnings, both from local and abroad, learnings from leaders, from different people, from different backgrounds, we are blessed to learn from all of these people. And it brings you to the next. Okay? Kung yung ating mga tours na yon sa Taiwan, sa Korea, sa China, these are meant for educational purposes, for us to grow better in the system of Atomy. This one is meant to pamper you for the hard work that you have invested in doing Atomy. So, let's find pleasure at the sides in between and while learning. So, we can claim another travel set like this SRM incentive tour to pamper us for the hard work na naibigay natin kay Atomy. Now, it was an absolute happiness for me to be able to bring my son with me. Na every time the day ends, he looks at me and say, Nanay, thank you po. That really hits me. That something good kaya mong ibigay sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Okay? So this is the sweet fruit of our labor in the system. It's time to relax, but for me, learnings go on. Now, I was amazed and excited to see cherry blossoms near our hotel. And there are patches of land with canola flowers. And dun sa mga early spots na nabisita namin, yung feeling ba na we are so eager to take pictures knowing that this is all we can get for picture taking. Pero, like Atomy, the best is yet to come. Let me share the lessons in this memorable trip. Sharon Rose Masternita, she shared to us how long her journey is with Atomy. Our 2026 company slogan reminds us to speed up, but we advance according to our own pace, our own speed. As long as you work hard, stay right on track in one direction, and never give up, you will eventually reach the top. And like the strong winds in Ewol Cafe Street, let the Atomy, amazing and strong wind, bring you to great places. SRM Lorna, just like the flowers in Camellia Hill, joy blooms as Ma'am Lorna passes by with her humor. Siguro yung mga nakasama ni Ma'am Lorna, kilala niyo siya sa pagiging kwela. Okay? In our journey, we take things seriously. We take things seriously kasi future ang pinag-uusapan natin kay Atomy. But we can gracefully move with humor at the sides. At kilala ang Pinoy sa pagiging resilient. Sabi nga ni Sir Nono, di po ba? Kailangan nating maging resilient. Okay? Sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya meron yung kanta na, tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Okay? But the resiliency should be geared towards success. Hindi yung resilient ka para mag-surrender ka sa kahirapan. Okay? You choose. Okay? Bumangon ka para lumaban. Hindi yung babangon ka para tanggapin mo ang iyong kapalaran. Okay? I labeled this page, Politics, Religion, and Her. This is a country hit nung mga kabataan pa namin. So I chose this to label this page because SRM Darwin, once a politician, now an Atomian. And meeting Sir Darwin in the hotel lobby during our last night in Jeju, he said hindi daw po sila makaka-join sa aming paglabas, because they have their family Bible study. So religion. It is comforting to be part of a company, being a Christian company that strengthens the religion, the faith that we practice. And of course, like the sweetness of the green tea treat in Osulok Cafe, it is a treat to have his wife travel with us. Such a sweet and wonderful lady that I jokingly call hayop na doktor because she is a veterinarian. Okay? Single but determined in her Atomy dreams, SRM Ann. A single mind towards success is what we need. Parang dun sa racing horse na may takip sa mata, dun sa direction lang dapat, forward. Huwag mo nang pansinin yung mga nasa gilid-gilid. And if you are a hurdler, you can jump over them. Kung hindi mo kayang mag-jump, then like a river, go around it and go back on track. And just like the boy band, one direction tayo. And just like the direction of the smoke there sa picture, nung smoke of the grilled black pork meat that we ate there, let's all aim to go up. Now, I see the deep joy in SRM Dixie Lynn's eyes as she gets to bring her mom in an overseas travel, which is an extraordinary trip. Bringing her kids with her was a bit chaotic kasi they are in their kulit age. Alam naman natin, toddler age, sobrang kulit. But the beauty lies in the moments shared and cherished by the heart of a mother. In Atomy, we will get more chances to create these beautiful travel memories in Atomy, not just there, just like there in Ecoland, but in every land. Yan ang ibibigay ni Atomy sa atin. Now, we have SRM Beth. Kung ako man ang pagpipiliin, sino ang isasama ko sa travel, anak pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Siguro hindi na ako makakauwi sa bahay nito. Okay? We always want the best for our kids. And the best we could give them is the gift of Atomy. and an earning code. Okay? Just like the Songsan Ilchulbong crater, inakyat namin yan. Okay? Let your Atomy account erupt with amazing blessings, not only for your family, but for many. My son found his baby brother in this trip, okay? Our halabong baby, who was so well-behaved all throughout the trip, okay? We may be registered in Atomy earlier or later, but it's always our choice if we go fast. Kaya sabi ko dyan, fast track. Kasi medyo mabilis po ang galaw ni SRM Knowles. So, I told myself, I will ask SRM Knowles what speeds her up. And she told us the same things that we learned from the system of Atomy. Pare-pareho naman. But I learned the ultimate turbo in her system na dapat yun din ang maging attitude natin is no backing down in a challenge. And as mentioned earlier on, the best is yet to come. I got my spirit 100% recharged as I see the long line of cherry blossom trees. Cherry blossoms are said to, yung blossoms nila, it will stay like a week, up to 10 days. Kaya ang sabi nila, we were so blessed daw po na inabot namin yung cherry blossoms in bloom. Kasi nagsisimula na rin yung pag-ulan, mas mapapabilis yung paglaglag ng petals nila. And I get to see the seemingly endless canola fields in Noksanro. And this is what Atomy promises us at the end of the line. Abundance of joy and beauty. Husband and wife. We have our shared concerns with SRM Lorna. Like my husband was also sent back home because of pandemic. And like the pandemic, may dinala din siya sa pamilya namin. It somehow created an unfamiliar discomfort. Kasi before, nung malayuan kami, uuwi siya pag bakasyon, may magpapasensyahan ba? Kasi nga, alam mo na, aalis din naman siya, pagpasensyahan na, yung ganon. Pero nung nag-for good na, mas dumami na yung moments ng tampuhan. Okay? So, ganon din yung pandemic nga. Okay? So, kagaya ni Atomy, we experience a lot of discomforts. But we should trust that where there is discomfort, there is change, there is growth. And when we overcome the discomforts in Atomy, hindi lang po yung kagaya sa hotel na yan, hindi lang si Mason ang glad. Lahat tayo glad. Okay? Now, my son and I, together with the Ercilia family, joined the optional day tour. Oftentimes, unplanned trips heal the soul. In Atomy, sometimes unexpected partners, unexpected circumstances come to heal your soul and bless your system. Upbeat family. This is the family who is always on the go. SRM Ronnie, handang talunin ang cliff para mabuhay ng natural life ang stable network niya. And I call him CCM, Certified Crazy Atomian. Dapat ganyan din tayo. Maging CCM tayo. We hope we all get crazy in working hard for our Atomy kasi sabi ko nga, 3 henerasyon ang mag-e-enjoy niyan. In all the SRM slides, the common denominators exemplified by the leaders that we can learn from are faith, resilience, determination, and passion. Again, we have our own stories, but if we go against all the odds, we can all meet at the top. To the future SRMs, you will also cherish this moment. A moment to behold. Dito mo ibubuhos lahat ng naipon sa puso at isipan mo. And what made the moment memorable for us na batch was the Q&A game prepared by Ma'am LJ. She has to ask us a question na dapat sabay kaming sasagot ng parehong sagot para manalo kami. Maybe, pwede nilang sabihin na pandaraya yung pag-prepare. Pero ako, true-blooded Atomian ako eh. Kailangan mag-challenge preparation. Kaya nanalo kami ng anak ko. Kasi nag-practice kami, okay? And here comes Mr. and Mrs. Gabona. Ma'am LJ's question, sabon. Ang sagot ni Ma'am Mary Ann, Atomy detergent. Si Sir Darwin, safeguard. Kung sino ang full-time Atomian, ibang brand pa ang naisagot. Okay? Pero at least we're happy na yung wife niya is atomy din talaga. Kahit sabihin na natin na hindi siya full-time atomian. So, we had a good laugh. And we will have a very special bond with the leaders we will travel with in Atomy. This was the most challenging destination. It was really raining hard that day with dramatic pa na malakas na hangin. Doon ang planned trips hindi ika-cancel dahil sa ulan. Binigyan kami ni Atomy ng kapote. And just like our business in Atomy, bibigyan tayo ng kapote, ng protection. Dahil sabi ng ating mga leaders, ito yung business na pandemic, inflation, and giyera-proof. Okay? Tuloy pa rin ang pag-usad ng ating Atomy. So, yung sumama doon sa destination na yan, 4 po na Atomy staff. And then, we have our tour guide. And then, 5 po na Atomy members. Okay? Pero ang official na SRM account holders, dadalawa lang kami ni SRM Ronnie. Okay, so we were so happy to reach that destination kasi talagang ang ganda po nung lugar. So kung pupunta kayo dyan, kahit anong mangyari, pasukin ninyo yung museum na yan. And we will get to see na dito mo ma-experience na ang mahirap abutin, masarap kamtin. So very Atomy. Now, this is my journey of leveling up with Atomy na fruit po ng learnings ko from seminars, meetings, success academies, Go 100 trips, and traveling abroad with Atomy. And one leader once said, if you join all the tours of Atomy, you will definitely become an imperial master. Now, I was trying to think about the logic behind this. Dahil, di ba kung sasama tayo sa tour, may requirements. Ibig sabihin, mag-e-effort ka to meet the requirements. At pag nakarating ka doon, papangarapin mo din na dalhin ang members mo. Ibig sabihin, gagalaw ang team mo. Kaya kung continuous nga, nasasama ka sa tours, gumagalaw ang team mo, hindi maiiwasan. Talagang makakarating ka sa end of the line. Okay? Mahirap man sa una, pero kung balanced life for 3 generations naman ang mabibiyayaan, tiisin mo ng bonggang-bongga lahat ng bagay. Ano ang mga kasabihan? Easy come, easy go. Hard to get, hard to forget. Ay, sa relationship yun eh. Okay? Hard earned, hard kept. Okay? So yun ang meron tayo kay Atomy. Now, this was a picture taken in the last destination. The artwork reminded me of the Avatar movie. Kaya I searched of the meaning ng Avatar. Okay? And I chose the words that are in line with my presentation. Avatar means to experience, to learn, and to restore balance. When you experience different things, you learn the values that you can use for your growth, and that will eventually bring you towards your balance, yung success natin sa system. Education system, sabi ko kanina, is not called success for nothing. It is the heart of our company because it is the one nurturing us towards the big things that await us. I hope hindi na sayang ang oras ninyo, yung effort ninyo sa pag-join sa ating ODS. May the learnings that blessed me, bless you too. In Proverbs 19:8, it says, the one who gets wisdom loves life. Kasi nga, you have to learn how you will take care of life. The one who cherishes understanding will soon prosper because you will use. Okay? Hindi yung puro tayo seminarista lang. You have to use. Okay? So you can prosper. It is through learning in the Atomy success system that we get to see that here in Atomy, we do not just share goodness and beauty, but we share success. And to our master teacher, to God be all the glory. Maraming salamat po.